Let's go for a game of solos, guys. See how that goes. I think it's going to be okay. I think we'll manage. Something interesting, at least. Let's see now. Very nice. He's the man. He's the man with the skirt. Yeah, you the man. He's got somebody behind him already. Look at that. Look at that stuff. It's completely crazy. Okay. Dude with a skirt. There's a dude with some slippers on. Here's a dude with a jacket on. Okay, I think this is going to be an interesting gang here. Let's see how it goes. Let's just see how that goes. Alright, where are we falling? Where are we going? Let's see now. Let's try to get away from the craziness as much as possible. So if I would jump right there at the prison, that's a bit close maybe. Let's try to go to our favorite spot. See how that goes. Maybe that's going to work for us today. But I don't think so. There's going to be a lot of people in there, but well, let's try. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of us jumping there. Well, he's going that way. And this guy goes straight for it. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, he's going straight for it. Where is he? There he is. We're going straight for the same goal here. It's gonna be with me, buddy. There you go. Sorry about that, but you're dead. You're a dead man. Let's get rid of that. Okay, well, we've got something good here. I think we can do this. Let's get some ammo. Let's try to get as much stuff as possible and get the hell out of here. Here's a frying pan. Here's another scope. Let's see what's that. We need a pack sack and stuff like that, so let's just get down here. Okay, some med. Here's a vest, but it's not such a good vest, but we'll just take that vest for now. Down here is nothing going on, so let's just hurry up. Pair of pants. Didn't lose my pants yet. Here's a helmet. Get the helmet. Okay, that one. Yes, we need some ammo. So it's a frying pan again. Let's go to the next level. Let's grab that. We don't need that. We need that. Let's get some pills here. Oh, level 3 vest. Sweet. That was nice. Oh, what kind of scope is this? Oh, level 6 scope. Beautiful. What I would really love, though, is to have to get myself another rifle, actually. Let's see here. Let's get that. Frying pan, frying pan. What's that? It's level 3. It's another big jacket. There. I would really like to have a bigger helmet, though. Like a stronger helmet. But you know what? I'll take whatever I can get. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get out of here. Get out of here because we're right on the edge, and I got quite a bit of ammo. I've got a really strong scope. My vest is level 3, so I think we're just gonna scoot out. just be careful a bit around us, what's going on, because there's probably some people that are at the power plant. There's always people at the power plant. So let's just make sure that we don't get into any surprises here. Okay, let's just see if there's any more. I need some more ammo. What I would like is an AK. That's what I would like. But I see that I'm only getting submachine guns. I find that the stopping power of the sub is just not, it's not what it's supposed to be, you know. I mean, you get screwed all the time with those. Where the guy, you know, has a 5.6 or something like that. And then you get shot up faster. That's never fun. Let's go into here, see what's going on there. You know what? I think I'm gonna peek out the window as well, just to make sure that there's nobody around us. Sorry about that. It's again, it's completely mad. It's actually the same thing that was in the other building. You know? Darn. That's because I took the same building 2 times? No, it wasn't. There you go. Let's just take a peek outside and see what's going on here. Do I see anybody? No. Let's just go over the mountain. You know what? I see a motorbike there. I see some people over there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab that motorbike, and then I'm going to go and shoot some people. Actually, grab that motorbike right there. I'm sure I saw somebody running across the field here. So sure. Maybe not. Okay, we'll see. Let's just go into the house here and see if there's anything interesting. Which could be cool. There's a whole bunch of scopes here. So what the hell is going on? There's absolutely no AKs. What's going on? There's absolutely no AKs whatsoever. Okay, let's just pop down here. Let's see what's going on. Can't see anybody. You know what? I don't think there's anybody this far out. But there's a car. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to... Wait. Who in the holy was that? Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go into the house. So most probably on their way. There he is. you go. Just got your ass kicked. But I'm not feeling really freaking safe about this because I'm right in the middle of everything. So I'm feeling a bit like open. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be very, very careful. That was probably him that shot over there. What the fuck, didn't this guy see me? I don't know what the fuck that was all about. I don't think he saw me. That was just plain weird, man. See, that's what I find sometimes a bit difficult with this game, is that all of a sudden people just pop up. You know? That freaks me out just a little. Okay, let's just go into the interior here and try to kill more people. Let's just pop up right here on the little hill here. And then let's look around. Let's just go through it. What I like doing is that I hide in the back like that. And I just look around. And then when you see someone, ah, son of a bitch. There you go. And then I just go get back in. Just wait a bit. Just reload that there. Hey, you know what? I got a dead body over there, so let's just go get the crate and then check the dead body at the same time. Let's just be careful here. Ah, you see, this is the one I wanted. See, that's the one I wanted. Right there. There you go. Where's that crate? This is always a stupid idea, but you know, I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna say, you know, why the fuck is he taking his time like that, you know? But that's just the way it goes, man. Just get back into the fucking car and then get the hell out of here. And then we're gonna drive up to that mountain and see what we got. Up to the top of the mountain. There you go, like right there. I'm gonna pop into the side. Go here and then see. Let's see. Take that there. There's no use for that. No use for that. No use for that. Take that. No use for that. No use for that. No use for that. Okay. Let's just exit it. Oh, crapper. Let's just get the fuck out of here, huh? Okay. Let's just get out of here quick. You know what? I'm gonna walk it, but let's just see how this goes. That's the thing, you know, there's so much people, but can't find any of them. Let's see, there you are. You're out. Yeah, so that's 6 kills. See how this goes. Here. I'm really surprised that I can't find more people. You know? It's like, where is everybody? Where the heck is everybody? Let's just get on the top of the mountain right away. And let's see if I can't spot anybody down there. Which I'm really surprised that there isn't any more people. But we are only 20 left. I guess most of the people got killed on the last storm. There's a whole bunch of 9mm all over the place. That surprises me so much. Let's see here. Got 6 kills. Let's see. Holy moly, macaroni. Let's go here. Let's see what's happening. You know, I would have imagined there would be more people around here. There's a sniper up there. I see his cars there. So that's somebody right there. Where is everybody? I got my headset on so you guys can't hear what's going on. But there's an airplane that just went by. Oh yeah, there's the crate. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm just gonna snipe it a bit. Wait around. Yeah, people got some suppressors over there. Yeah, they're... somebody in there. I just can't seem to find out where he is. This is probably a bad move, but I'm really curious as to where that guy went. I'm probably going to get my ass capped here. We got 6 kills, so that's pretty good, I think. Somebody's sniping. Somebody's sniping over there. I can't seem to see who it is that's sniping. There he is. There you go. That one's gone too. So there's 10 left. I'm basically right in the middle of the shit show. So you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to go and try to hide in some shade here. There you go. Like that house right there is probably going to be full of people eventually. Everybody's trying to get the top there, you see? Because that's where you can hide really nice. What I'm good at is shooting through the grass. That's what I like doing. That's my thing. Oh yeah, there you are. Let's see if you can't have some people there. There you go. That's the bike there. Oh shit, that was from the house, man. Okay, that was interesting. So nobody's going for that crate though. Nobody's going for... There goes 8. 8 little piggies. No. So we're only 7 left. Let's see, where are you guys? Let's see now. Guys are only 7. Let's see, where are you? Where can you be? I have to go that way. There's that car, yeah. He's probably in this. He's probably hiding somewhere up there. Where can you be, you? Come on. No chance. Okay, let's see. Oh, crapper. Oh, that was close, my friends. But where did that guy come from? Where? I didn't even see him. I did not even see that guy. Oh crap, I have to go up there. Ah, shit. Shit buckets. Let's just try to get the fuck out of here as fast as possible. Did anybody see me? Where the fuck are you? Okay, guys. This is not going to be easy. Now there's 2 left. Don't know where they are. Let's try to figure this out. Let's try to patch it such that there's probably some ghillie suits and shit going on here. That wouldn't surprise me. There's one. There's one right there. So now there's only one left. Let's see, where is he? Let's get some ammo here. There he is. Thank you very much. And that was Winner Winner Chicken Dinner Ender Crystal style. Thank you, guys.